What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a little different type of video. So I got a request for me to do a royal blue eyeshadow look with my Jaclyn Hill palette, and so a subscriber or somebody that watches my videos and likes the way I do makeup asked me to do a video of a royal blue look because they are going to a formal dance that is coming up and they wanted a look that they could do at home. So I decided to make a series of videos so that way I don't have a creative block, and two, you guys can choose what you want to see on my channel. So if you want to comment down below what you want to see next, or just DM me on one of my social medias, I will definitely put it in the list for what I will do in the future. So yeah, I'm going to have a series of fan pics of what you guys decide on what you want to see on my channel. So I'm going to be showing you how I did this look, and let's not talk about my hair. Don't mind my hair, it's natural. I don't like it, but it has different personalities just like I do every day. It's nothing new. I just didn't feel like doing anything to it. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. First, I'm going to go in with the shade Silk Cream as a base color. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Pukey as a transition color. Now I'm going to work with the shade Twerk, and I'm going to blend it up far into my crease. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Soda Pop. It has a purple blue undertone, and I'm going to put it in the outer crease for a little bit of depth. Now I'm going to go in with Twerk again and darken up my crease some more. Now I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and do a half crease cut and take it to the middle of my eye. Now I'm just going to blend the concealer and the eyeshadow together so there's no harsh lines. Now I'm going to wet my brush and go in with the shade Beam and put it on the lid of my eye. Now I'm going to go in with Twerk again and darken up my crease and outer corner and blend it so there's no harsh lines. I'm also going to use Twerk on my lower lash line, and I'm not going to take it all the way to the inner corner of my eye. Now I'm going to go in with the shade Obsessed and put it on the inner corner of my lower lash line, in my tear duct, and on my brow bone. Now I'm going to go in with Twerk and Beam and just touch up some little spots and blend it so there's no harsh lines. Now I'm going to go take some eyeliner and put it on my bottom and top waterline and pop on some lashes and mascara, and I'll be right back. So I'm back. I just popped on some lashes. I didn't do any eyeliner. I didn't think it was necessary. I like the way it looks without eyeliner. And I didn't just want to mess up the whole look with adding some, because I thought I really liked how it looked. but I did put just a little bit of like pencil eyeliner on my bottom and top waterline. So yeah, this is how I did this royal blue look. I hope my subscriber liked this look, and I really hope it helps you out with your dance that's coming up. So good luck. I hope you can do this look. I hope it was easy for you. So yeah, so subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this a thumbs up and comment down below, like I said, what do you want to see on my channel. And yeah, just hit the subscribe button and turn on my post notifications for more videos. Bye!